change. Now we have discussed organization in animals. Now let's discuss organization in plants. The plant cell is there. We discussed the plant cell in the cell biology video. Then the plant cell get organized into tissue, xylem, phloem, these palisades and spongy mesophylls. These are the tissues. You can see sponges are the ones which have greater air spaces between them but are photosynthetic. The palisade cells are arranged next to each other, which are also photosynthetic. In the organ system, we have a water transport system and the food transport system. Water transport system consists of xylem and the roots. The food transport system consists of the phloem and the leaves, and all of this make a plant organism. Okay, now what is a transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water from the surface of the leaf in the form of water vapor, and this happens to a stomata. So stomata are these air spaces or air pores present on the surface of the leaf, which consist of stomatal pore and these cells, which are known as the gut cell. The gut cells open and closes, which controls the water movement, and the gas exchange also takes place to the stomata. Now this transpiration makes the water uptake or the water transport system. How? Water is lost from leaf pore in the form of transpiration. This decreases the concentration of the water, so the water from the neighboring cell moves in. Now, as the water from the neighboring cell moves in, that decreases the concentration of water in that area. So it takes water from the neighboring cell and then from the neighboring cell, which makes a long continuous column, and eventually it forces the water from the soil to comes into the root, and then the xylem carries up due to transpiration stream. Okay, now what are the factors that affects transpiration? It is temperature, light, wind and humidity. With increase in temperature, rate of transpiration increases because the particles gain kinetic energy. They start to evaporate faster. With light, rate of transpiration also increases because remember, as the photosynthesis will increase, the transpiration will increase, because as the rate of photosynthesis increase, stomata will increase to take in more carbon dioxide, which increases transpiration. Wind, as the wind speed increases, it moves all the saturated air, increasing the concentration gradient of the water vapor, increasing the rate of transpiration. Humidity, as the rate of transpiration decreases with humidity. Why? Because humidity will make the air saturated with water vapor, decreasing the concentration gradient, so the diffusion rate of water will slow down. Okay, now how do we measure the rate of photosynthesis or transpiration? I think you must have done this experiment. This is a potometer. A potometer, there's a glass tube, there's a reservoir of water, and there's a beaker, and there's an air bubble. As the water uptake, as the plant will lose water, it will try to uptake this water and this bubble will move. You will use a scale and measure how much the bubble is moved. The movement of bubble is an indicator of water movement, which in turn shows the rate of transpiration. So we assume all the water that it is uptaking is equivalent to the rate of transpiration of water. Okay, now since transpiration is a necessary evil, why? Because transpiration is required for the uptake of water, but it can also cause the plant to unnecessarily lose the water and can wilt, they can droop. So the plant has done an adaptations to limit water loss. They are covered with the cuticle layer, which is waterproof and prevents the rate of transpiration. They have stomata on the lower surface that reduces the rate of transpiration. Some plant stomata opens at night and close during the day. In some plants like cacti, the leaves are reduced to spines that limits the rate of water loss. And some plants have sunken stomata, where the stomata is in pits, and they have the humid air around it that prevents the rate of transpiration. Okay, so I hope this unit is clear to you. Now it's the time to test yourself. In this unit, we have seen a lot of key terms. So you should be able to explain these key terms. So these key terms are cell, tissues, organs, organ system, digestive system, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, substrate, active site, carbohydrates, protein, fats, enzyme, catalyst, denaturation, amylase, protease, lipase, bile, emulsification, plasma of the blood, red blood cell, white blood cells, platelets, plasma, arteries, veins and capillaries, double circulatory system, coronary artery, coronary heart diseases, stents, statin, pacemaker, xylem, phloem, transpiration, translocation, potometer, stomata, and gut cell. So you can pause the video, have a go at these terms, and then check yourself if you know these terms. You can come back to my website. The link is mentioned in the description box below, and you can have the answers of them as well. Okay, so what is the next step? Next step is check the specification, make sure whatever thing is there in the specification is crystal clear to you, and do exam questions on this topic. Okay, so I hope you have understood this video well. If you still have any doubts, leave a comment below. We'll reply you as soon as possible. Or you can go to our website where we have 24/7 chat support, where you can post any queries before your exam and you can get instant reply. You can go to my website where you can find the notes of this as well. The link is mentioned in the description box below. If you like this video, then choose subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like, comment and share this video. And if there's any specific topic you want me to make a video on, do leave a comment below and I'll make sure I'll put that up before your exam. Okay, so please go over this topic very, very seriously. It's a very important topic and I'll see you next in your next video. Till then, happy revising.